Hey guys, and welcome to the March edition of the top 5 After Effects tutorials. Thanks for watching last month's video, and I really hope you enjoy this one too. And to those who subscribed and give us a like, it's very much appreciated. So let's get started and see what we have in store. First up is a great video by Keyframe Academy. Although the video mentions it was recorded in February, it was uploaded in March, so I'm taking it for this month. As you can probably tell, I'm a big fan of roundups, and this is no exception. Who doesn't need 21 tips, tricks, scripts and resources for 2021? I certainly do. Straight out of the gate are some tips for optimizing After Effects, and specifically purging the cache when projects get a bit heavy. This is very useful for freeing up memory and getting After Effects running a bit more smoothly. Secondly, the animation script flow gets a mention, and I couldn't agree more with the benefit of this script. It lets you save keyframe interpolation and reuse them in other projects. Such a great script. The second video is from Desmond at NoSleepCreative, and what a beast of a tutorial this is. This is an exceptional in-depth tutorial on how to create motion trails using shape layers and expressions, and there's no need for any third-party tools. As there is so much to cover, I'd recommend digging in and having a look. It's nice to get deep with some expressions and make some organic motion too. The third tutorial is by School of Motion, and this tutorial also focuses on expressions and using expressions to build rigs. Just like the previous tutorial, there is so much to cover and it's extremely expression heavy. As there are too many points to try and condense, I can only recommend that you watch this one too. Lastly, if you are completely new to expressions and struggling to understand what they are and why you might want to use them, we do have an introductory playlist on our website. I'll link that in the description too. For the fourth video, we have another wonderful and informative tutorial from Manuel. What I really like about this tutorial is learning how to build a nice liquid distort effect and applying it to text. Sometimes we need an extra little bit of sauce to make our text appear more interesting and less perfect. It's a fairly extreme distort, but I love seeing digital imagery broken down and giving more of a textured feel. Check it out. And the last tutorial for this month is on TikTok editing trends. And I'm sure you may have seen some of the seamless flicking loop effects that have been making the rounds. Learn How to Edit Stuff has done a great job breaking down all of the stages to achieving this effect. It can be easy to look at an effect and get lost in its complexity, but in reality, all we have to do is break it down into manageable steps. You will go through setting up your shot, shooting some green screen, masking out your subject, and then all of the post-production necessary to make it a seamless loop. Dig in and enjoy. Alright, well thanks again guys. If you liked this video and would like to see more, please give us a like and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification icon too. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments, and also head over to our website aftereffectsbeginner.com and sign up to our newsletter. See you next month.